here are our BFM Blanking Caps and BFM Blanking Bins. The reason that we invented the BFM Blanking Cap was for locking off processes where you might want to stop anything from flowing through, or if you have a wet process above and you want to keep the rest of the process dry, you can snap one of these in and it prevents any of that kind of moisture getting into the process. Our customers have found some really good other uses for this. People tend to use these for things like sampling ports. You need to get in and get a small amount of material for testing. You can use these as an alternative to our quick access port. They're also used quite a lot on sifters and things like that as inspection hatches. So traditional rubber bungs tend to pop out when these machines are operating, which can lead to dust and everything going everywhere, but the snap fit design of a BFM keeps that sealed in place. These are also quite pressure resistant as well, which is really positive for those applications. So they know that if there is an overpressure situation, they're not going to pop out, they can contain that pressure and they're not going to lead to any problems with the production process. The BFM Blanking Bin, we invented this one for things like sifter overs, where you need a catch bucket or something to sort of collect any excess material or any waste. So traditionally people will put a plastic bag inside one of these, snap it into place, and that will catch all of those overs, and then when they need to empty it out, they can quickly take it off, take the bag out, replace it, snap it back in. And these are used basically anywhere where you need any kind of catch bucket system or anything to catch any kind of overs or reject powders.